You see this guy over there posted across the street in my building? I mean, across the street from my building. That dude, never seen him before. All of a sudden, he's there as I came down. So they do that. They plant people, okay? And they have them do like little watch. All these people walking by are more than likely people that they put to, observe and surveil from a distance, okay? All right, now you see this other guy over there across the street. Now he's probably doing that to let people know that I'm across the street filming. All right, he got color codes on too. He just came out that van that's parked right there. And that's supposedly with the plumbers that have been working on the pipes, the water pipes and whatnot. But I know that they're part of the whole thing. There goes the head plumber coming out the van. Supposedly they're gonna do some work in the restaurant. There goes the other guy that came out the van. And these are supposed people that are gonna be working on the plumbing. All right? And I'm just documenting, remembering faces, keeping documentation. There's no reason for them to be coming in the building, and more than likely they won't. But supposedly they're gonna do, their little water pipe fixing, supposedly. Okay? Now I don't have a problem with these guys. They're doing their job, supposedly. But I'm just documenting to keep a record. That's all. This is what I do. Okay? All of a sudden they're there, they're not looking, you know what I mean? Looking to the side, everywhere, but over here. Now you hear the fire engine, all of a sudden, you hear the timing is perfect, right? All right, now these are probably Homeland Security. I'm not sure that they're affiliated with them. They may or may not be. I don't care, I'm documenting either way. There goes the fire truck on time, lady in red, you see that? All right, y'all, RT, TI New York City, signing off. Until next time.